Bienvenue chez Prêt à parler. Prêt à parler means ready to talk. We are an online language school specialized in helping busy professionals and parents make French part of their everyday life. Our mission is based on what we do best, providing English-speaking expats a high-quality, flexible, and efficient approach to learning French online. Why should you learn French online with us? We have always believed that learning online is the new way forward. We have been teaching online via Zoom since 2015 with our state-of-the-art interactive tools and e-learning platform. We offer a language solution which is as efficient and flexible as possible. Our 60-minute online lessons can achieve the same result as 120 minutes face-to-face sessions, minus the disruption to your day or time lost getting from A to B. All material and homework is kept online via your private profile on our e-learning section. Au revoir, heavy books and photocopies. Les super profs prêts à parler. All our teachers are highly qualified bilingual or multilingual native French speakers. Explanations can be done in English whenever necessary at the beginning to avoid any lost in translation moments. Our methodology. At Prêt à parler, we encourage intuitive learning to make the most of your current language skills. Experience a climate of trust where you feel safe and understood no matter your French level. This boosts your motivation and confidence, which encourages you to dare to speak more. Who are our clients? Expats who recently moved to a French-speaking country and are still struggling with the language barrier. Busy professionals who need to reach a business level of French. We have helped dozens of expats like you before. Our success rate is 100%. Watch our next video to see how your successful French journey could start with us.